Hello, today we will guide you through how to redeem One Key Cash on Expedia. Start by opening the Expedia Philippines website in your browser. Using the correct regional site helps ensure the layout and currency match what you'll see on screen. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner. That's where the profile icon lives, and it's your entry point to your account settings and rewards. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and sign into the account that holds your One Key Cash so everything appears correctly. Click the profile icon, then choose Account from the menu. This takes you to your main account hub. Here you'll find your personal details, save preferences, and, most importantly for today, your One Key Rewards information. Look for the option labeled View Rewards Activity and select it. This opens your rewards dashboard where you can see your One Key Cash balance, recent earnings, and any redemptions you've made. On this page, you'll find ways to use your balance. To apply it toward a stay, select Redeem for Hotel. This begins the redemption flow. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on what's available to you, Expedia may guide you to search for a hotel or continue to check out with a selected property. During checkout, you'll typically see an option to apply One Key Cash. You can choose how much of your balance to use, up to what's available in your account. If your balance doesn't cover the full cost, you can pay the remainder with your preferred payment method. A few helpful notes as you proceed. Eligibility can vary by property, rate type, and region. If you don't see the option to redeem, it may mean the booking isn't eligible or your balance is currently zero. Taxes and fees coverage may also vary. The site will clearly show what your One Key Cash is applied to before you confirm. Any unused balance stays in your account for future bookings. If the Redeem for Hotel option appears grayed out, or you receive a message that you can't redeem right now, double-check that you're signed into the correct account, refresh the page, or try again on a desktop browser. Also, ensure you're viewing the rewards section of your account, not just the general profile page. That's it. Navigate to your account, open your rewards activity, choose Redeem for Hotel, and follow the prompts to apply your One Key Cash at checkout. Enjoy your savings and have a great trip.